Hi friends, it's me, Christy, aka Little Tornado, and I'm coming to you today to do something a little bit different. We are making brownies, the best brownies, like ever. So, first thing that you need is, now both of these can be purchased at Dollar Tree. This is the Betty Crocker Fudge Brownie Mix, and then the Pillsbury Chocolate Fudge Brownie Mix. Now this one, you can get it at Dollar Tree, but I had my boyfriend grab it at Walmart because the Dollar Tree that I got the other pack from was out. So yeah, you need both of those to make the best brownies ever. So this is the best bowl ever too, from Dollar Tree. It has the gripper so it stays on the counter. I'm going to go ahead and pop these open. I'm telling you, I mean, if you like chewy brownies, like, yes, it's the best. These are Kenzie recommended. In fact, I need to rename them Crack Brownies, honestly. I mean, they have cracked chicken. Why can't we have cracked brownies? Okay. So we've got that in there. And then follow the directions for both packages. Like, okay, on the Pillsbury box, it says 2/3 cup of oil. On the Betty Crocker bag, it says 1/3 cup of oil. That means 1 cup of oil. And yeah. So 1 cup of oil. And then it says 2 eggs on the Pillsbury and then 1 egg on Betty Crocker. So 3 eggs. Let me toss these and wash my hands, and I'll be right back. Just got to get the egg off my hands. Okay. The next thing is, on Pillsbury box, it says 1/4 cup of water. On the Betty Crocker box, a bag, it says 2 tablespoons of water, which equals, what does it equal? This much water. That was, wait, did I do that wrong? 1/4 cup and 2 tablespoons. No, okay. a 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons is 1/3 of a cup of water. So that's what we put in there. This is the neatest measuring cup ever. And it also has the measuring spoon that goes with it. Especially when I'm making like a honey garlic chicken or something. I could put the honey in there and just smush it out like that. And then, yeah. So there we go. And now I'm about to use the blender. So I'm going to pause this because that would be extra loud. 1 minute. Or a second for you guys. Okay. was making sure that I was able to unpause that properly. So I've blended it up, but I wanted to show you guys this. With this bowl, you can take a regular blender and it fits in this lip. And with most things, there's a couple of things I haven't been able to do this trick with, but you can turn the blender on and walk away from it, and it will be like a stand mixer. So yeah, just thought I'd give you that little tip there. But I am going to have to pause it for a moment again because I'm going to scrape around the bottom of the bowl with my cute little Pioneer Woman spatula and blend a little bit more, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, it's good and blended. Now taking the Crisco butter flavored no stick spray. I'm using a ceramic baking dish. Yeah, my light is out above here, so I just put one of those little puck lights from Temu up there and to help give me a little bit of light. Okay, so I've got this good and sprayed. And now let's pour our brownie batter in. Am I recording? Yep. Just making sure. I'm telling you, these make the best brownies. They are so good. Yes, get every last bit of brownie mix in there. I know they say don't eat raw brownie batter, but that little bit's not going to hurt me. Okay, so my oven is kaput right now. So I'm using the toaster oven. 375. I put it on like 50 minutes. Let's see. My tray on top shelf. Was it on top or no? It was a little too high up. Let me move my tray down. There we go. Now, your temperatures might vary on the packaging. Let's see. It says heat oven to 350 for aluminum or glass pan, or 375 for nonstick pan. This other one is saying 325 for dark coated pans, 350 for metal or glass. Oh, that's the same. Anyways, so yeah, for my toaster oven, it's a little bit different. So like I said, let's see, I had it a little too high. So I put it on 375 for about 50 minutes because it takes a little bit longer. I usually check it about 40, 45 minutes. but usually it takes 50 minutes at least. So that's it for this part of it. And when they're done, I will come back and show you the yummy yummy. So I will see you in a little bit. Hi friends, I'm back. So brownies are done, and they're so good that my boyfriend already grabbed them one. So let me get the butter knife. And we will cut into these. Now, let me try to get this turned around here. I like the ooey gooey center, so I'm going to go for a centerpiece. Let me grab a plate. Oh, sorry, I'm probably knocking the mic all the way around. Okay. I'm just cutting a little piece. Look how ooey gooey, yummy that looks. See how nice and crispy the top is. Crack brownies. So good. So putting the foil over that. Raise this up a little bit. And let's have dessert. Cheers. Mmm. So good. So good. Also, I want to point out this is probably about 5 hours after I did the Ghetto Ready With Me video. It's the last one before this one. And this is how the makeup's holding up so far. Now I did wipe off a couple of those butterflies because that looks better. And so there we go. As you can see, the makeup is holding up very well. Yeah. And I ate dinner, and it's not a whole lot of, like, the lipstick is not, like, of course, as vibrant as it was 5 hours ago. And I've ate dinner, like, so I don't have, like, a whole lot left on there, but you can still see that there's some color. And then the color on my cheeks. And then you see this is the spray that I put in my hair. This is, I don't know if it's just because the light's hitting it a little different or what, but But you can see over here. So brownies are great. Dinner was good. And my makeup still looks nice. So this video will actually post on Monday because I just posted the Ghetto Ready With Me video. And if it doesn't make sense in the beginning, it will by the end of the Ghetto Ready With Me video. So, but that's about it for this video. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. If you guys want to see more videos like this, some more of like my cooking and stuff, just let me know. And I might add this to some of the videos that I post. We'll see. I just thought I'd give it a try. I was just seeing if my mic was still on. And hopefully I haven't hit it too much and made all kinds of weird noise, but that's about it. It is now bedtime, so I'm going to get ready for bed. And hopefully I will record the Dollar Tree video tomorrow and post that on Tuesday. We'll see how it works out. But that's it for this, and I am going to finish my Crack Brownies. So good. Okay, friends. What is going on here? Where's it at? It's just... Okay. Anyways, so that's it for this video. And I wish you guys could taste these brownies. Go make some. They're really good. So I'm going to stop talking about how good they are. Y'all want to know? Go make them. I will talk to you guys later. Bye, friends. Bye, friends.